Okay, now we have been on the other part. Now let's see how to add subject to class. Let's see how to add subject to class. We first log in, but before we do that, you need to first come back on school setup and we give yourself permissions. You give yourself permissions. You give yourself permissions. Come on settings, users permission, so that you'll be able to give yourself permission as an admin. As you can see, when you click on settings, users permission, then you will see the list of users whom you have added here. So by default, we have admin, the one whom I'm using right now. I'm in the account of admin, so I click on permissions. So as you can see up here, we have just staff. Under staff, you can see what they have. Under settings, you can see what they have. So I want to add other permissions so that they can also be displayed up on top here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll down. I come on academic. I say, can record mark sheet? Can record marks? Can read mark sheet? Can enter term? Can generate term assessment report? Can create subjects? Can assign subject to classes? Can assign subject to staff? Can delete subject from staff? Can assign subject to students? Can do gradings? Can you see you give yourself all these permissions here? Can you promote from one class to another? You scroll down, then support. Since you are dealing with O and L level, I'll jump this one. You can support nursery level and you can support primary level. I jump that one. I'm not dealing with old curriculum for O level. I'm dealing with new curriculum. So I say school support, ordinary level, new curriculum, and school support, advanced level. Parent can send a report, yes. Can use digital section report, yes. Can use digital stamp on report, yes. Can read subjects from class, yes. So can support exam sets ordinary level. This is when you don't you're giving exams to O level, just those people who give mid beginning of term, mid term, and the rest. But if you don't want, just do that. Then you can write promoted to class, also that one there. So when I refresh here like this, you're going to see academic menu. Menu now it has come here. You can see when I click, you can see all these we have been adding are there. So our main aim right now is adding subject to class. How I'm going to do with this? I'm going to come on, click on academic. I say add subject to class. Add subject to class. So I click on academic. I say add subject to class. Add subject to class. So I'll scroll down here. I click on advanced ordinary level. I choose the class name as senior one. I choose the subjects. So here we are saying this subject should be marked mandatory. If every student in the chosen class must do it, the subject should be marked optional if not all students in the class do it, or if some of the papers on the subject are optional, such as history at O level. So here I'm on senior one. As we know, in senior one, all subjects are compulsory, just because with the new curriculum, they are saying we normally give 11 subjects, 11, 12 subjects, I think. So I'll come and say, I first put English, I put math, I put chemistry, I put history, I put physical education, I put physics, I put ent, I put geography, I put biology, I put what? CRE, what else? Swahili. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So also 1. Which one can I put? Which one is missing? Any which is a student will choose, but these ones are compulsory. So I say mandatory. This means whoever belongs in senior must do these subjects. But you can add others just in case your school does all. Me, I'm adding according to NCDC. So I click on save. It means these subjects are now added to that class, as you can see here. These subjects are added to the class, the 11. So the others which will add as optional. So I'll add the rest as optional subjects. So still senior one, I add those which are optional. ICT, optional. Tailoring, hairdressing as per my subject which I had put. That's what is this. Agriculture. I put art and design. I put Runyanko Ruchika. I make these ones as optional. So why optional and mandatory? On the report card, we don't expect to see subject appearing on somebody's report of which that person doesn't offer them. We only those ones which we have made as mandatory are the only one which are supposed to appear on the report card, plus those electives which we will have given to those people. It means if I'm a person called Emma, I'm doing 11 subjects, I'm supposed to see only 11 subjects on my report card, not the others with those blank spaces. No, the report card should be only showing only what you offer. So that's why we give these two options, optional and mandatory. So if those students offer different subjects, you can again add them as option subjects to them. But right now, I have been showing you how to add subjects to class. What happens to senior 3? A class like senior 3, I'll just come and say, add subject to class, of course. I just click this button, add subject to class. I choose a class, ordinary level. I choose like senior 3. Of course, we know in senior 3, there are only 7 which are mandatory, and the other one, English, math, chemistry, biology, geography, history, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, physics. So we know that these ones are the ones which are compulsory, like mandatory, and I save. So the other ones are electives. That means I have also come, I add those ones as optional. In that when you are going to assign those electives, you choose when you choose optional, they will be displayed as optional subjects. So I'm adding all of them as option subjects. So I make them option, so I save. So that's how we add subjects to class. So when you see here, you will see them like, so you can even come here and filter senior 3, senior 3. Here will be able to see senior 3 only. The subjects which are combinatory, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These ones are mandatory. Senior 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the rest are optional, as you see here. So the other thing to see is now we have seen adding subject to class. Then we can say if you want to view class subjects, you can say view class subjects. You can view them from here. So that's how we do it.